You're welcome back to Angel Styles Organic Beauty Tips. I know it's been a long time. Hope you guys are all doing good. Hope you all are doing well out there. Compliment of the season, everyone. It's holiday period. Some people have already switched to their holiday mood, but not me. We are still busy. Hey, yeah. All right, guys, so as you can see from the title of this video, I'm here to answer questions. So I have to read out the questions here that are very I just have to pick about 3 questions from all the questions that the ones that have been asked numerous times. So I have to pick them because I can see that is very important to you guys. So let me answer this question accordingly. Number 1 question is, how do I make my skin brightening supplement work? How do I make my skin brightening supplement work? Okay, I got a lot of I made a video about skin brightening supplements that I use. Then I always update, I always, I don't use one particular supplement all the time, apart from vitamin C. That one has been, I don't change that one. So but other supplements, sometimes I switch because there's a lot of supplements to take. So sometimes when I'm taking a particular one and I feel that it's too much in my body system, I gotta switch. I switch them up, to help me also and help my liver. So how do I make my skin brightening supplement? How you can make your skin brightening supplement work? If you're taking skin brightening supplements, a really good, I don't know the one you are taking, depends on the one you are taking. Some people contact me to ask for what type they will take. I always recommend the ones I take, but before you take any supplement, you have to contact your health physician, to know, because everybody's body are not the same. What my body system is not the same with yours. So you gotta contact her in case you have any problem or any medical condition. You need to see your physician, to shake up your supplements and know which one that will work or that is good for your body. So don't just go out there, buy supplement and start taking because this Mr. Mrs. A is taking it, so you believe you can take it. No, it doesn't work that way. So you gotta contact your medical physician and a professional to shake your supplement and know if you can take it. So to answer this question, my dear, if you want your skin brightening supplement to work for you, depending on the one you are using, if you want it to work for you, you need to detox your system before taking any supplements. If you want to take any skin brightening supplement, sister, detox your system. Brother, detox your system. Yes, do internal detoxification, like the way before you use skin brightening product on your skin. We normally recommend and ask you to please do what? You should exfoliate your skin, right? As you're exfoliating, you are detoxing. So the same thing goes with your internal system. Before you take a skin brightening supplement also, you have to detoxify, exfoliate your internal system. That is, detoxify your internal system. Wash away any toxins or any dirty. Because if you don't detox your internal system and you are taking the supplement, it's like you are just wasting your time. You have to cleanse your system. Let your system be clean. Once your system is clean, when you take that supplement, it will go in and do its job properly because the system is clean. But when your internal system is dirty and you say you are taking supplements and you expect it to work, it's not going to work. That is the truth. Go and ask your doctor. It's not going to work. That's why they recommend for you to detox your system. Even if you are so big, detox at least once in 3 months or once in 6 months. Depends. I do, when if I don't have time, I do once in 3 months. I take my ultra cleanse, detox straight for like 10 days. Then I stop and wait for another 3 months. Okay, so you have to detox your system. You use ultra cleanse. I use ultra cleanse to detox my system. I'm going to put the picture somewhere in this video. I use ultra cleanse to detox my system. Ultra cleanse comes with tea and tablets. You take the tea at night, last thing at night before going to bed. Then you take the tablet first thing in the morning when you wake up. Take the tablet on an empty stomach. Before you wait for like an hour or so. The way I take it, before you start you eat your breakfast, or before you start eating anything. It depends on when you eat. So detoxification is the key. That's how to make your supplement work. Okay, so question number 2 was, how long do I detox and what do I use for detoxing? See, she said, how long do I detox and what do I use for detoxing? So when someone sent me what we can use, I replied to detox. She was like, what is she going to use to detox and how long will she detox her internal system? Anyway, what to use, when it comes to what to use, I told you what I'm using. I use ultra cleanse to detox my system, because because I'm always busy lately, you understand? So I'm always busy. But if you are not busy, you are less busy. You can also use natural, like some grains. I have video on my channel here where I have made detoxification smoothie. You know, you make it with greens, you know, green fruits and vegetables. So you can search. If I have time, I'm going to link the video in the description box, or you can search for the video and watch yourself. So you can make your smoothie yourself. Get some greens, such as parsley leaf, what's the name, spinach, kale, celery stalk, green apple, add some lemon, ginger, you know, blend it together and drink every morning. Okay, but for me, if you don't have time, look for a good detoxing tea, detoxification tea or tablet. Like I said, I use ultra cleanse. That's what I use. Ultra cleanse is what I use. Okay. So there are a lot of detox tea out there on the market, but I don't know. I'm saying the one I use that works for me is ultra cleanse. Then I also make, once in a while, I make green smoothie and take. But because of no time, I take the ultra cleanse, because that one is early in the morning. When I wake up, I take 2 tablets. Then at night before going to bed, when I'm done with anything eating before going to bed, I make the tea and I drink it before I go to bed. So in the morning, helps to wash away your system, and you know, you see yourself when you detox your system and wash away the dirt, you too will know, you will see changes in your body, you know. So anything you add, anything you eat fruits, you eat vegetables, you take your supplements, you will see it working, see your skin glowing. You'll be like, what's the secret? The secret is because your internal system is clean, your external system is clean. So when you're taking your supplement internally and you're applying your lotion or skincare product externally, it works. When they combine together, it works. Okay, it works fine. All right, so how long to detox? Like you heard me say, it depends. Ask your professional doctor. But me, for the ultra detox, I do detox 10 days. I use it straight for 10 days. So my detoxification lasts for 10 days. So if you are using ultra cleanse, don't go above 10 days. Use it between 7 to 10 days. Okay, you can detox for 7 days, you can detox for 10 days. Then if you are doing green smoothie, do it for like maybe 7 days or so. Every morning you take it, 7 days. Then you see how your body know how your body accepts it, you know. So that's what I can say for that. But everybody body is different. Your body system might be different from mine. Okay, so do you contact your professional doctor, your physician? Okay, question number 3 here says, what product did you use to lighten your skin? I get this question all the time, and I've been answering, but I don't know if they believe me or not. My dear, it depends. What product I use does not matter. I use my product. You all here knows that. I have my skincare routine here all the time. But somebody was like telling me it's time for me to update my skincare routine. I said, no problem. Once I have time, I'm going to make video and update my skincare routine. And there's a question again, but that one I'm not going to answer you today because this video is already long. So in my next video, I'm going to answer that. How I achieve my color and how I maintain it. You understand? So I'm going to answer that in my next video. But what I use is my line. I use my product. I use Thai Secret skincare product. I keep getting this question every time, even under comments. People write email who they want to use that exactly what I use. I would say what I use is my skincare, but you know, I always update my skincare routine. My skincare routine is not always the same. I update depending on the weather. You understand? Depending on the weather, the season. Here in this country, our seasons change. When what I use during summer is not the same thing I use during winter. You understand? So during winter, my skincare routine changes. During summer, my skincare routine changes. During fall, during spring, so everything depends. And you know, my skin type also is not the same with everybody's skin type. It might be different from yours asking. You understand? That's why when you want to buy our products, I prefer you calling me, contact us so that we can ask you some questions. You understand? And know what your skin type is like. We have a lot of questions, especially your skin type is very, very important to us so that we know what product can work. Some people are not sure of their skin type. So we start from somewhere depending on how you describe your skin. We start from somewhere, then as you are using the product, keep in touch, you know. You keep in touch, we know, we ask questions and know how is your skin responding to the product, what is happening, then we know how to adjust whenever we are customizing for you. Okay, so because what we do is strictly customization. We don't make our product and keep on the counter. No, our products are always freshly made. We don't have any product made and keep. Somebody was like, that one you're asking me to go and order. With that one, I said there's nothing in there. What you are seeing there, just label with bottle. So that's why we say before you buy anything, you have to contact us and tell us. We ask you question, you answer. Okay, like I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like if you want to get our product, try and contact us. I'm going to ask you some questions concerning your skin, and you need to know your skin type, your skin concern, the texture, what's going on with you, what you are using before, and what happened. We need to know so that we can direct and recommend the right product for you, and then we customize it for you. We don't make products and keep. Okay, so I think I've answered all the questions, and I think everybody understand what I'm saying now. So number one, let's do a recap. Number one question says, how do I make my skincare supplement work? So the answer is detox your system. That is it. Make sure before you start taking any supplements for skin, any supplements, make sure you detox your internal system so that when you take your supplements meet a clean system and it will work. Don't take supplements in a dirty system, okay? Make sure your system is clean. Then number two says how long to detox and what to use. I have answered that depending on the detox you are using. Some detox tea, many detox tea out there, so you read, they will write what period to use. The one I use it 10 days. That's what is required of it. So, and you can use anything, any products, any products you have out there. But if you want to use the one I'm using, is there in our store, okay? www.ngspiceonline.com. We have it. It's called Ultra Cleanse, okay, for detoxification. So, and what product did I use? I use Style Secret skincare products. That's what I use. From head to toe, I am using Style Secret. That's my product. That's what I use. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. I hope I've answered all your questions. If you have more questions, don't worry, leave it down below there. If I have time, anytime I have time, I will read it and I will reply to your questions. Even though I know I'm always busy, but there will be time. I will have time to go through it and I will reply it. Most of you know that I reply questions faster. I don't leave any question unanswered. Unless if I don't understand, I will write to you and say, I don't understand your question. Ask again. Okay? All right, guys. I'm going to go right now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay organically beautiful, okay? If you have any question or you have any demand, don't hesitate to put it in the comment box. Love you all. Make sure you stay safe out there.